Alright, here's my 1963 Superior Pontiac limousine. Just going to do a little walk around video of it. See what we're starting with. This car has 14,000 original miles on it when I bought it in May. Brought it back from Phoenix, Arizona up to Saskatchewan, Canada. Jump seats in the back that would be fit for anybody under 3 feet tall. Divider window. Surface rust, no rust through on it. When I got it, it had been off the road for quite a few years, and set of tires and some hoses and belts, and it was good to go. See if she'll fire up. A little bit cold here today. I put about 800 miles on it this summer. Never left me stranded, so that's a good sign. Does have a transmission leak, so that's going to be the first project for this winter. Pull the engine and just clean it up, reseal it. And has dual zone air conditioning. The compressor is seized in it. Basically, under the hood is untouched aside from the master cylinder that I had to put on it to get it on the road this year, and the battery. Rust-free trunk. Obviously the transmission leak was pretty bad, so it's a constant challenge to keep it shifting, but that's my limo, and I'll be updating this as we make some progress on it.